I was interacting with my client, and my client what my client knows. So I was able to relate to the curriculum what Edureka had designed for it. And it was exactly the matches the requirement of my client.
Hello everyone, welcome to this career transition series. I am Soham from Edureka, and today I got this great opportunity to interview one of our star learners, Ankit Sain, who has done the Power BI certification training with us. Ankit has successfully transitioned into the Power BI domain, and today we will talk to Ankit about how he did so, and hopefully y'all can learn as much as possible from him as well. So, Ankit, let's start with your introduction.
Yeah. So basically, as you know, my name is Ankit Sain, and I have a 6 years of experience into supply chain industry, where I had worked for different role. So earlier, I started my career into direct sourcing and supply chain. Now I'm more into strategic sourcing and supply chain, where we do a lot of analytics, we do a lot of automation stuff in our processes, and we do process mining as well. So that's what a very short background about mine.
I mean, that's great to hear, Ankit. I mean, but going by the next question after what you've said, like having a career transition alone is a very difficult decision to make, given that you have a job of your choice. You've kind of set into your job, like you know what the job requirements are. You're somewhat in a comfort zone. You also have a work-life balance. So, could you tell us and the viewers what was that driving factor, that motivating factor that gave you the drive for a career change?
Okay, so a nice question. So basically, what happens is when you step up in your career, you will have responsibilities. Then you have a team. So I started my career as a senior business analyst, basically in this company in my current role, and then I got promoted to a team leader position, right? So where I was handling the 5 people team. So now my client interaction is to understand the requirement of my client, and then you will deliver it. If I don't know what my client requires it, right? So I'll not be able to deliver it. That's a very basic question, right? So I need to understand the client, and I understood that my client requires a Power BI dashboard. They want a live dashboard in Power BI. Okay, so for that, what I have to do? I have to learn that skill, because I have time to learn that skill. I have another 1 month, 2 months to learn that skill, and then I will be able to deliver that work. If I don't know that skill, I'll not be able to deliver the work, and also I'll not be able to guide my team as well, right? So for me, I was very clear. Okay, I have to learn that skill. Then for me, if I have to learn that skill, I have to start learning the skill from the scratch, because I don't know anything about our Power BI. So yes, YouTube, a lot of social media platforms are there to learn, but learning from scratch and someone will guide you which is the right way to guide, which is the right part to learn that skill. I think so. I like that. Okay, let's learn from a good platform like Edureka, this Power BI course, because they have a very good content. They have a designed content. They have a very good documents to where they have uploaded in the folders. So that will help me to clarify my doubts. And then you have an experienced industry trainer as well, where he will be able to answer those questions which I will be raised. Then for me, it was a very easy job. And I was very clear in my mind. Okay, let me do it from Edureka, and that's the reason I've enrolled it.
That's great, Ankit. Honestly, like knowing that you have to upscale your skills for whatever reasons, whether it's a promotion or a hike, or to be able to handle your team better, it's a great motivation and driving factor that you could choose to make this decision right here. But however, you could have done this course from anywhere, as there's a lot of content out there on the internet. So why did you choose Edureka as such?
Okay, so basically, even our company has initiated a lot of trainings like this Power BI dashboard, Tableau training for 1 day and 2 days program. But that covers a very basic structure. The curriculum was very basic. They are not covering the end-to-end part of it, and because they don't have time, and I totally understand that as well. Why Edureka? Because I've been searching a lot of platforms where we have different platforms in the training industry. And why I like Edureka, the reason is behind this, because they have a very standard, very as per the company standard curriculum. So what is, and this is what I understood, because I was learning the Power BI in my company, and I was interacting with my client, and my client, what my client knows. So I was able to relate to the curriculum what Edureka had designed for it. It was exactly the matches the requirement of my client. So that's the reason the content was very good. They have the recording sessions. They have the also the you can say all the documents, all the slides, all the design documents, content. So if I missed any of the class, by chance, if I missed any class, then we have the recording session as well. And their support team was very the customer support team was very strong to answer those questions for me. So the entire structure was very easy to go for me. I don't have to struggle much, because even I don't want to say, if I'm learning something, I do have a lot of questions in that. But there is a content which is there for me to go. Okay, for example, if I miss anything, so there is a content for me to go to the recording session. Just watch that recorded session. If I have any question, write this question, send an email to this customer support, or probably I can also interact with the trainer in the next session as well, and to clarify the doubts. So the overall content was very good to answer those questions, and that's the reason I have decided to go with Edureka.
That's great to hear, Ankit. Honestly, like you mentioned, like even when you want to learn a course, you will have several doubts, and if you miss a single class, it's great that you appreciated our support team's efforts in order to have all your doubts clarified with the live classes, the sessions, the hands-on, every single thing. But my final question to you right now would be that what would you like to tell all the viewers watching this episode right now, how they can inspire themselves to choose a career transition? And to add on to that, if they want to choose a career transition, how should they start about their journey?
Okay, so we are all working, and we all want to prosperous in a career, right? We all do want to grow in a career. We want that exposure. We want to grow in a career. So if you want to grow in your career, from a current role to a different role, you want to learn that skills. And for learning a new skill, always you need to choose a right platform who will give you, who can show you that path, who can mentor you in that path, right? In that path to understand. For example, if you want to step up in your role for a vice president, you want to step up in a role for a CEO, you want to learn a new skills for that. So you'll not be able to learn and you'll not be able to grow with your current skills, because that's a technology, and that's a beauty of technology, where it grows and it's evolving very fast, right? From pandemic 2 years back, the technology was different. Now, after 2 years back, after pandemic in 2022, the technology is different. We want to step up. Now we're talking about the artificial intelligence. Today we are talking about artificial intelligence. Tomorrow we'll be talking about different technology as well. Now we have blockchain, which is coming in supply chain. There's a lot of blockchain which is coming, with a lot of technology which is coming in, right? So I have seen that transition, that transition of in supply chain since last 6 years, and the same goes for our career as well. If you want to step up in your career, if you want to grow in your career, you want to learn a new skills. For learning a new skill, to show that right path, you need to choose a right platform who can give you the right path, who can show you the right path, who can give you that document. What is happening in a current state? What is the actual requirement which is happening in the current standard? So that's the reason I always request the viewers, choose the right path, choose the right platform, which can either Edureka or a different platform which has a good content, which has a good standard content as per the industry standard, and then who can show you the right path, and then you start make a decision of go ahead to learn that course.
Right. Like you mentioned itself, like technology it's never going to stay constant. It's always going to change. Ever since the pandemic, for that matter, there's so many new technologies that have come in. Today we might be talking about AI or blockchain, but like in the coming years, there's going to be a lot more technologies, and we have to be able to adapt to those skills and learnings in order to make ourselves more capable at the job and the role that we are in as such. So completely agree with you on that. But honestly, Ankit, it was great talking to you. I got to learn a lot as well from you, and so did our viewers, I'm sure. So thank you so much for your time, and all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.